Good morning, class 4. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 10, that is force, work and energy. In the previous lectures of this chapter, we had discussed about objective question answers. Now today in this video lecture, we will discuss about short question answers, that is question number B from exercise, give short answers. So let's start the discussion of short question answers. So question number 1, name the force used to pull a trolley. Name the force used to pull a trolley. The answer is muscular force is used to pull a trolley. Muscular force is used to pull a trolley. Now comes the question number 2. What are the various sources of energy? Means we get energy from which type of sources? So the different sources of energy are sun, wind, water, atomic energy, geothermal energy. These are the various sources of energy. Now comes the question number 3. Name some simple machines. So here the machines or the devices that make our work faster and easier, these are called simple machines. And here we have to give the answer, give the name of some simple machines. So number 1, lever is a simple machine. Then comes the pulley, it is also a simple machine. Then comes wheel and axle, a simple machine. Inclined plane is a simple machine. Wedge is a simple machine. So these are the names of simple machines. In this, screw is also a simple machine. Now comes the question number 4. How are force and work related to each other? How are work and force related to each other? So we all know force is a push or pull. Force is a push or pull that changes the shape, size and direction of an object. And what is work? So work, when you or when anyone applies some force on an object and that object moves in the direction of force and cover some distance, then it is said work done. So if you pick something and again put it at the same point, it doesn't, in the language of science, there is no work done. But if you pick up something and take it to some other place, means you have covered some distance, it means some work is done. So here the relation between work and force is, work is said to be done when a force moves an object to a certain distance, that is work equal to force into displacement. That is work equal to force into displacement, means we are applying force and some displacement is done, then only it is said work done. So work equal to force into displacement or the distance covered by the object. So class, these are the questions from question number B, give short answers, and we discuss these question answers. I hope you are able to understand all the questions well. If any problem, ask me class, I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.